Teaching students to collaborate today is an important part of their education. That's why schools throughout the world are using Huddle Space from ELMO. Huddle Space is simply the best way to teach and monitor the development of lifelong skills, like brainstorming, building ideas through diversity of opinion and presentation abilities. Huddle Space is perfect for schools with tight budgets, stressed AV departments, or limited Wi-Fi bandwidth. It is the most reliable and user-friendly collaboration hub on the market. The Huddle Space seamlessly moves from room to room, making it the perfect addition for BYOD and one-to-one style classrooms. Now students can learn more from every lesson, planned or unplanned, whether in the classroom, in the library, or just about anywhere. The Huddle Space is today's most flexible and affordable teamwork tool for students. Everyone gets screen time with the push of a button. Its plug-and-play features make it great for any age from kindergarten on up. The Huddle Space is compatible with any device, and its unique design allows students to easily connect up to 8 HDMI devices simultaneously, including phones, tablets, PCs, and Macs, even Chromebooks, Windows, and iOS devices. Everything works seamlessly. Simply plug in, push a button, and switch the display. The best part of Huddle Space is the built-in conferencing microphone for lecture capture and recording capabilities on SD cards that allow for online or future review. It also allows teachers to monitor students' progress through the collaboration process and lesson plan to grade accordingly. The Huddle Space Collaboration Hub by ELMO. It's more than just a connection source. It's the ultimate collaboration and learning tool for the classroom.